What's good, y'all? So as you can see right now, I'm packing some clothes. You know what I'm saying? It's Twitchcon this weekend. I got some fits draped, custom socks. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming too crazy. Let me see what else we got here. Custom, got the H&M jean. You know what I'm saying? Gallery tee, Jordan 1s. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming too trim. Nah, I'm just bullshitting. But yeah, I'm about to pack up, slide downtown, meet up with my OG, and attend my first TwitchCon. So right now it's like 6. I gotta go down here, grab the badge, and then Brody got me into the partner party. So y'all go see the partner party tonight, where all the Twitch partners, Twitch streamers, the top of the line streamers is gonna be here. So we go see. I don't know if like no Kaisenat or nobody like that gonna be here, but it's gonna be some motherfuckers up here for real. Maybe. I don't know what to expect, but yeah, man, we about to finish packing. I just had to clean the Jordan 3s. My shit kind of beat. Is these beat? Is the Jordan 3 beat? The camera help them. But my shit low-key beat. Yeah, the thing I ain't looking forward to is this damn Uber. Because there's so much traffic to get down here, man. They might charge me $80 for this Uber. He say that shit, I might grab the wheel. But yeah, ain't shit going on for real. About to just hit this TwitchCon Thursday night. And I got the whole weekend of vlogs for y'all, man. Make sure y'all smash that thumbs up button. Smash that subscribe button. Comment below your favorite part of the video at the end. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to give a merch giveaway too. Because I just dropped a new merch collection on shopasterisk.com. As you can see. So let me know. Should I do a giveaway for the merch page? Y'all gonna have to follow the merch page on Instagram at asterisk.co. But yeah, I'm gonna take a few of these shirts and we gonna throw this shit on this weekend, like. Know what I'm saying? But this is the fit right now. All straight merch. I done made the jeans. The jeans is made by me. The shirt. Go ahead, throw the shirt on and the hoodie. Fuck it. Wipe a nostril like a snotty nose. Oh yeah, my shit coming too trim. Damn, I look like a Twitch partner. I'm a YouTube partner. Feel me? YouTube partner. My fit hard. Fit hard. My gritty in the club. But yeah, man, I just grabbed the badge. They threw me the badge. They threw me the goodie bag. Yeah, man, I'm excited though. I ain't never been to like no convention like this. Well, I have been. I've been to Playlist in Orlando, but this is like my actual one, like grown up, out of town type shit, like tight. They got some protesters. They on strike. No kids. But yeah, man, we out here vlogging with it for the weekend. The party last night, I couldn't really record because it was like people in there. They was tripping off the recording, but we cooling. Got some stuff over here. Bunch of vendors, games, companies, different streamers, creators. Yeah, no kizzy. I've been trying to get as much free shit as possible. I'm gonna go get this free supplement. No kizzy. I just been drinking shit for real. But here, man, you can really see the behind the scenes of the influencers. I feel like I could do this. Like, I'm looking at the different people. I'm like, bro, you making cheese off Twitch, and you an everyday person. So I'm like, bro, I gotta get on. My OG back here. He gonna help me build a PC soon. So let me cook up some shit real quick.
Look for you. Good look for you, bud.
What this is? You gotta look like a streamer.
Geeking. Absolutely geeking.
Yeah, I'm geeked up.
I think it's a good one. Alright, man.
Yeah, that's cool.
I think the mic looks a little funny.
We can redo it.
video for B-roll. Does that make sense? Awesome. Just use it.
Okay, perfect.
Last thing I need for
It's the worst feeling.
We're on the receiving end there.
And if you take off and abandon this zone, you're gonna run into somebody else, and they're gonna know exactly that you don't have a lot.
But y'all had to give the vlog an update. The last clip y'all seen was a Fortnite tournament. They was playing for 75 G's. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, you can do anything and make some money in 2024. Like, anything you want to do. Dead ass. I'm just yapping to the yam, to the youth. I'm talking to the chat. My legs, they cool. I'm getting whooped on the breath side though. I'm losing my breath on these steps. Bro, I actually tried to, these controllers, I tried to make my own one of these. I took my controller apart and painted this shit and broke it when I was little. But these live. Damn, what controller is that? PlayStation? Oh, they come off the wall? My brother go watch this, he gonna be going crazy. My little brother. KJ, if you watching this, you probably going crazy. These some exotic controllers. Optic. You all good?
I'm like, bro.
Bro, he be having side mission jobs. And I had to come check back in with the vlog. And that last clip, I don't know if y'all can see it, but that was Fousey too. I used to watch Fousey, man. Back in the day, I used to be on the gaming too back in the day. That was my first ever YouTube. I'm gonna post a link to my first ever YouTube channel when I was gaming. Back when I was, shit, what, 13, 12, 13? That's what I was on, the gaming, boy. I was recording off the track phone. But yeah, we just cooling for real, man. Hitting panels, trying to get information. We met the Twitch CEO. So shit been decent, man. Right now I'm out in the lobby. Day one, Twitchcon. So they gave me some shit, some free stuff. Grabbed a hoodie. You know what I'm saying? It's cool, man. Really out here just learning, meeting with vendors. My OG, he be on the stream in Bloodborne. He talking, getting sponsorships, and it's just like, it's inspiring to see, man. You can do anything you want to, and this is the place to get the connections with the people. Because he walked up talking to 2-3 people and got sponsorships down there or connections with something like. So that's all it is. I got to get my Twitch up, get my YouTube up, and I'm going to be back in full effect, no kissing. But yeah, though, man. And what this has showed me is that a lot of these people that's influencers, just regular, everyday people, they just tried some shit and it worked, and they built a following off it. So it's like, you ain't got to be no special person. Like, you just got to do it, try it, and keep trying it, you know?